Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must act now. Cut power to everything the remote controls and stop pressing buttons. If your remote has a removable battery or backplate, take it out carefully. If not, skip opening and proceed to drying. Use a lint-free cloth to blot and remove surface water. Do not rub hard. Make sure to avoid heat sources like ovens or hair dryers at high heat. These can warp plastics and push liquid deeper. Once done, move to the next step to extract trapped moisture safely. Once surface liquid is gone, prioritize moisture removal and corrosion prevention. Place the remote and any removed parts in a sealed container with silica gel packets or uncooked rice for at least 24 to 48 hours. This draws out residual water. If you can see exposed contacts or residue, lightly dab 90% isopropyl alcohol to displace water and evaporate quickly, only if you can access them safely. Make sure to leave parts on a ventilated surface afterward, and resist powering up until thoroughly dry. After ample drying time, reinstall any batteries or reattach the back-end charger. Only then should you attempt to power on. Test every button and the pairing function. If signals are weak, repair the remote to your Apple TV and try fresh batteries or a brief charge. If problems persist, sticky buttons, intermittent connection, or no response, stop and consult Apple support or a certified repair technician rather than forcing fixes. One key tip: intermittent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.